Welcome to Cooking Your Christmas Dinner Chapter 1. This series is very special for me because today I'm sharing this recipe straight from the heart. Our family recipe, our family Christmas dinner, and I'm here to share that with you. My grandmother used to make this Christmas salad every year. Something simple, elegant, and full of love. Something that brings a lot of memories to me. My grandmother believed that Christmas dinner should be fresh, comforting, and made to share. This salad was always on the table right next to the turkey, the roast, and lots of love. My grandmother didn't follow trends. She cooks with nutrition, and that's exactly how I want to share this recipe with you. For this classic Christmas salad, you need apple, grapes, raisins, cranberry, mayonnaise, yogurt, pineapple in syrup, walnuts, panela cheese, this is a Mexican cheese, sugar, and salt. Simple ingredients, but when they come together, they become something special. Now that we have everything into bite-sized pieces, let's build our salad. My grandmother used to say, every spoonful should have a little bit of everything. Our dressing is creamy, smooth, and lightly sweet, just comforting. So we add the mayonnaise, a little sugar, a pinch of salt. Now we bring everything together. And this is where it starts to feel like Christmas and taste like Christmas. Fresh, creamy, and full of tradition. I just love it. My grandmother always finished it with extra walnuts for the texture and love. This isn't just a recipe, it's a memory passed down. Every bite takes me back to her kitchen. And this is what Christmas food should do. Bring memories. Miss you a lot, Grandma. Bye-bye. This is just chapter 1 of Cooking Your Christmas Dinner. If you want to cook the rest of these holiday meals with me, just like my family did, make sure to hit subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow me along on the next chapters, and share this recipe with someone you love. I'll see you on the next chapter, from my kitchen to your Christmas table, for more real food, real people, real stories.